Hello and welcome to a new program, Spirituality Made Simple with Sanjeev and Saurabh. We will be coming live daily, and I'm just waiting for my colleague Sanjeev to join in. How is everybody today? And here we have a simple.
Hi Saurabh,
Hi Sanjeev, how are you?
Sanjeev, how are you?
good. How about you? Happy Deepavali to you.
Happy Diwali to you as
Happy
well.
Diwali to you as well.
Very
Nice,
auspicious
Very
day.
auspicious day.
very auspicious day. Yes.
So there is some sound
So
on
there
my
is
side.
sound on my
Is
side.
it volume on your side?
I am clear on this side. Do you think I need to do?
Or maybe
Or
there's
maybe
another
there's
phone
another
that's
phone that's
close by because
close
your
by
voice is
because your
echoing.
voice is echoing.
Or my voice
Or
is
my
echoing.
voice is echoing.
Yeah, I think it is your voice is echoing. I think. Is it okay now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Soumya says
so we
that
are
okay from
that
Sanjeev's side.
Sanjeev side.
Sanjeev side. So let me do that. Let me log in again. Let me get live again.
Sure.
So,
Sure.
So till Sanjeev comes back, we'll talk about what are we going to be doing in these daily live workshops. Basically, we want to talk about what spirituality and how it can be done simply for everybody. And Sanjeev is back.
Hi Saurabh, is it fine now?
Let me speak and we'll know.
let me speak and
Yes.
we'll know.
No, it's
Yes.
still the same.
No, it's still the same.
Is it okay or is it echoing?
It's still echoing.
It's still
So,
echoing. So,
Just give me a
are you
moment.
on the
Give me a
headphone?
are
moment.
you on the
If you are,
headphone?
please put
If
it
you
on.
are, please put it on.
And if there's
I
any
was
other
not on the
phones or
headphone, but
anything
I'm going on
around
the
you,
headphone. Just give me a
or go on the
moment.
headphone, yeah, it might actually help. So till Sanjeev comes on, just let me tell you that we've been friends for quite some time, and we decided that it's time to make spirituality simple for everybody, right, Sanjeev?
Yeah, perfectly. I think the echo is gone now.
Absolutely, yes, it's gone.
Perfect. Thank you. Yes.
So let's talk about. I think before we start off, let's initiate and say why we are actually doing this. So why did you come to get to do this? Why are you doing it?
So, Saurabh, as a lot of people have been regularly asking us, and they wanted to know that while the market is full talking about spirituality, market is talking about meditation, and a lot of things happening, and there are a lot of confusion happening out there. So
Right.
that's where the thought was that why not we do something whereby let's simplify the things rather than getting things
Absolutely.
complicated. So the purpose of SSS, as the name says, spirituality made simple. That's the purpose what I would say we have started everyday life so that
Right.
anyone who wants to feel it and take it can go exactly along the simplest method what we can go ahead.
Perfect. I think of the same way. I've always been asked when I work with clients, is this look too simple? Is it really happening? I said, why don't you experience it? And when they experience it, they realize that healing or understanding spirituality can be so simple. It doesn't need to go through the regular catharsis, as people say, and there's all the dramatics that we do. It's not needed
Absolutely.
because for me, it's the Earth is moving at thousands of kilometers, and we don't even get to know.
True.
If nature can make it so simple, why can't we?
So,
And
Saurabh, what you share is absolutely right. I was thinking like the way we breathe, it's so simple. Now, breathing is simple, our circulatory system is simple, everything is simple. So, spirituality is equally simple.
correct. So we should
Absolutely.
do that. So without taking more time of the people who are watching, so what are we discussing today? It's Diwali,
So,
so something special,
so special, I would say Diwali is the time for abundance,
right?
and spirituality is also related to abundance.
Correct.
Abundance in all the aspects of life. So what do you
Right.
feel about this abundance today, Saurabh?
So, people keep on saying, I want abundance. And I'm like, are you sure you want abundance? They said, yes. I said, abundance means abundance in misery, abundance in sadness, abundance in misfortune, abundance in bad luck. So you have to be very careful when you ask for abundance. What do you want abundance
Yeah.
in? And because Lakshmi is considered the goddess of abundance. But there is one more person who is actually very important along with Lakshmi when you're doing Lakshmi Puja. Actually, two people. One is Ganesh, of course, because he gives you wisdom of how to get the abundance. And one is Kuber, who is actually the god of wealth, actual
Without
wealth,
that,
money. So, along with the energy of Lakshmi, which is of abundance, we need to be very focused on what we ask for.
yes.
So this was brought to my attention about, I think, 2-3 weeks ago. It just came in and I channeled it. And I realized, there's so many things that we just assume, because Lakshmi is god of abundance. Abundance is only about money. No, it's not. आपके अंदर दुखों का abundance भी हो सकता है, वो नहीं चाहिए ना,
कुछ
तो
भी हो सकता
वो
है.
very clear हो
Absolutely.
जाओ यूनिवर्स में कि क्या चाहिए. So I think that's
And
what that's the thought that's come to my mind. So anybody who's doing Lakshmi Puja, please don't forget Mr. Kuber. And of course, also Ganesh, because the three of them together, one will get you the energy of abundance, the other will focus the energy, and the third one will give you the wisdom of how
wisdom.
to create it, what actions to take in your coming year, so that you are full of abundance of wealth. So that's for
Absolutely,
me.
Saurabh. I would just add one line. While a lot
Yeah.
of time people ask for abundance for anything, can be
Hmm.
for wealth, can be for health or relationship, we should also make so simple one smallest of the things, Saurabh, that when we are asking for one abundance, many times we miss out. By asking one abundance, we miss out on the other aspect. So when something comes, it is a possibility that something can go out also. And this
Correct.
is where I would like to say and share the abundance out here, that all of us out here along with us live now or watching later, remember, abundance should be very carefully asked for. Just
Right.
because, as you said, last to last Saturday, if I'm correct, Saturday or Friday, Saurabh, one download happened. And after
Hmm.
the download, immediately within 10 minutes, I got a call from one of my clients. He said, Sanjeev ji, ye hum kar rahe the, this happened so perfectly well, but this thing is moving out now.
Hmm.
So ultimately, your 100% can be 100%. You cannot be
Right.
more than 100%. So if you get something extra, abundance, something has to go out, and that's what I would say to make it so simple. Let us be focused on that.
Absolutely. And let's say hello to some of the people here. I think we have Bhavya and we missed a few people. Soumya was there.
We have
Thank you so much
Bhavya,
to
we
everybody
have
who's joining in.
Lame, we
It's
have Devrat, we have a lot of friends with us. We have Chitra Jyoti, we have
Monica. Absolutely. Very nice. Thank you
Monica.
for coming.
Yes, thank you very much for coming out here, everybody. So what we are doing is that we are coming live at 5:55, SSS at 5:55. This is what is most important. And when we are saying SSS, that means spirituality made simple. The topic would be very clear. What we are going to do is that we'll make it so simple, and spirituality को हम इतना आसान बनाने के मोड में आए हैं कि प्रैक्टिकली हमें स्पिरिचुअलिटी करनी नहीं होती है सौरभ. हम जैसा कहते हैं हम लोग सब स्पिरिचुअल बीइंग हैं.
Correct.
And we are learning being human and
बिल्कुल.
being connected into spiritual mode. ये हमारा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है.
बिल्कुल आप सही बात बोल रहे हैं. बिल्कुल आपने ये सही बात. हम स्पिरिचुअल हैं. हमें स्पिरिचुअल नहीं बनना है. किसी ने आई डिड दिस वर्कशॉप सम टाइम अगो. उसमें एक चीज बड़ी जबरदस्त निकल के आई कि स्पिरिचुअलिटी से ही आ रही है. Since we're starting, so we're taking a little long, everybody, so that you guys can understand what we're doing. Okay, we are neither the body, we are neither the mind.
Yeah,
You are the soul, but you can't define it.
absolutely.
आप जो हो वो आप खुद को नहीं देख सकते. आप हो बस, just you are. So same as spirituality just is. You are spiritual. So
Absolutely.
the only way what we are going to do, or we are attempting to do, हमारी जो कोशिश है कुछ अगले कुछ दिनों तक जब हम लाइव आ रहे हैं हम जब तक आते रहेंगे कि आपकी जो छोटी छोटी तकलीफें हैं जो आप बहुत बड़ा सोच लेते हैं वो संजीव जी और मैं साथ में मिलकर कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको हल्की हल्की चीजें छोटी बताते रहें ताकि वो चीजें आपकी लाइफ से गायब हो जाए क्योंकि इवेंचुअली हमारा काम तो एक ही है लाइफ में जीना है और उस बैलेंस में जीना है कि ना ज्यादा खुशी है ना गम है बस सिंपल है ब्लिस में है चल रहे हैं मजा आ रहा है लाइफ का ये होना चाहिए
एब्सोल्युटली। एंड सौरभ, तो आज हम दिवाली वाले दिन एक ही चीज कहेंगे, जब आप गणेश, लक्ष्मी और कुबेर की पूजा कर रहे हैं, इसके साथ साथ एक मंदिर और है जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी के लिए, वो है हमारी अपनी बॉडी। अगर आप अपनी बॉडी को देखें, इससे अच्छी खूबसूरत फ्लॉलेस इंस्ट्रूमेंट धरती पे नहीं है।
करेक्ट
हमारे बॉडी को अगर हम स्पिरिचुअलिटी को आज हम जब शुरू कर रहे हैं तो दो वर्ड से जोड़ना चाहूंगा। जो बाहर की दुनिया है स्पिरिचुअलिटी में इसको मैक्रोकॉस्म बोलते हैं, और जो
करेक्ट
हम हैं इसको माइक्रोकॉस्म बोलते हैं। जो
Right.
बाहर है वो हमारे अंदर है। तो क्या हम सब मिलकर एक छोटा सा काम आज जब लक्ष्मी पूजन करेंगे, अपनी बॉडी का पूजन जरूर करें, क्योंकि इसी के अंदर वो सारी चीजें जो सब कुछ क्रिएट कर सकती है।
और संजीव जी का मतलब ये नहीं कि पेट पूजा करने बैठ जाओ, संजीव जी का मतलब पूरी बॉडी की पूजा कीजिए।
एब्सोल्युटली, थैंक यू सौरभ। तो मैं इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर दूं, इसका मतलब क्या है। हमारे बॉडी का हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस हमारी बॉडी से है। बॉडी में पहले आते हैं हमारे बॉडी के पार्ट्स, फिर आते हैं बॉडी के ऑर्गन्स, फिर आते हैं बॉडी के ऑर्गन्स को कनेक्ट करने वाले सिस्टम्स, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, ऑल दी सिस्टम्स। और इन सबको कमांड में लेके रखता है हमारा स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज बोन्स एंड मसल्स। और इन सबको हम जो एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं वो हमारे 5 सेंसेस से करते हैं।
करेक्ट।
तो हमारी पूजा का मतलब इन सारी चीजों का पूजा है। इन सारी चीजों को पूजा कर लें आप, एंड सी हाउ फैंटास्टिक दिस इज। थैंक यू।
Absolutely, absolutely. So, बिल्कुल amazing है. So I think with that, let's initiate our second episode coming up tomorrow for everybody.
Yes.
So same time, 555 with SSS. Make an appointment. Make sure you're there. Even if you're not there, take down both of our Instagram accounts. I'm doc.sb. Sanjeev जी अपना बता दीजिए.
@ life coach Sanjeev.
@ किसी को भी फॉलो कीजिए. हम दोनों का इंफॉर्मेशन आपके लिए हर रोज होगा on both of our accounts, and we hope to serve you all well. कोई सवाल है तो प्लीज किसी भी अकाउंट पे आप मैसेज करके अपने सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. हम दोनों कोशिश करेंगे कि आपके हर सवाल का जवाब आपकी सहूलियत के हिसाब से और आपकी बेटरमेंट के लिए देते जाए.
Thank you, Bhavya, for wishing us happy Deepavali, and happy Deepavali to everybody. All of you have loads of abundance in life.
Yes, happy Diwali to everybody and lots of abundance and lots of love from both of us.
Thank you. Yes.
God bless. And Sanjeev ji, time for your Diwali and your body puja also. And my body puja also, so we'll do that today.
Everybody's body puja, yes, absolutely.
Thank you, ji. We'll see you.
Thank you, ji.
See you everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Happy Deepavali. See you tomorrow at 5:55.